Welcome to Afrivid Studio, the ultimate platform for creating stunning video content. Afrivid Studio is a powerful tool designed to help creators, marketers, and businesses produce professional quality videos without needing extensive technical expertise. Whether you're looking to create promotional videos, educational content, or social media clips, Afrivid Studio has everything you need. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the key features and show you how easy it is to get started. First, let's explore the homepage and see what tools are available. You'll notice the intuitive interface that makes video creation accessible to everyone. The platform offers various templates, editing tools, and media libraries to enhance your projects. You can easily upload your own content, customize colors and fonts, and add music and effects. Afrivid Studio supports multiple video formats and resolutions for different platforms. Whether you need a short TikTok video or a longer YouTube presentation, this platform adapts to your needs. The rendering process is fast and efficient, saving you valuable time. Start creating amazing videos today with Afrivid Studio and bring your creative vision to life.